plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, welcome back to Amy's Art House. I know that intro was really silly, but food Pokemon are unsettling to me. Especially this one, this little splash of milk. And I really did a terrible job making it, so it didn't help with my slight fear of food Pokemon. But I appreciate you guys coming by anyway. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Hopefully the next craft will be better than this one. At least the background that I picked for it is really cute. It's very trendy with all the little coffee cups. That's very nice. But I don't know, something about the way I made this one's eyes just doesn't look right to me. I hope that everybody is doing well. I hope you are finding some fun crafts to work on, some good shows to watch, etc., etc. I was thinking about how some of the Gen 8 Pokemon were some of the most popular on my channel, but the day I was doing this, you could tell my wrist was hurting because I have it all taped up. So I was like, I need to find an easy Gen 8 one to make. So I made Milcery. I need to finish the Pokédex. They're not all gonna be winners. They're not all gonna be 3-hour projects. But like I always say, I do not hide my crafts. I post all of them. They are all here. The good ones, the bad ones, the ones I'm proud of, the ones I am not, they are here. I think the only food Pokemon I like is the Applin and Appleton. I like them. But if I think too hard that they're food, I will kind of feel bad. So I have the body done, the little splash last. I just have to work on the eyes, which I really struggled with. They're very peculiar eyes compared to a lot of other Pokemon. Like a lot of them have pupils and a little bit of sheen to them, like that little sparkle in their eyes, and he just has these little white abyss eyes. And I couldn't get the shape right either. I just didn't have the right punch to do it. So I thought if I raised the eyes up so it looks like he's squinting a little from a smile, I thought that would make it look better, but I don't know, I'm not a fan. What are the most unsettling Pokemon to you? Which ones just kind of disturb you? Let me know in the comments. It's okay, we don't have to like all of them. There's almost 900. We can pick and choose which ones we like. But anyway, here he is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I really appreciate it, and I really enjoy sharing my crafts with you all. So, until next time, bye!